We're here with the first time we really shipped the finished Chromium Blink-based product. We used to have our own browser engine, which has been in development since '93, but now we have a full-fledged product based on Chromium Blink, the same that runs in the Google Chrome browser, it runs in the Yandex browser, but we have embedded it. We sell it for or license it for use in devices, in TVs, in set-top boxes, in Blu-ray players, and optimized for that, and also supporting all the standards for serving streaming video. For instance, if you wish to see your Amazon Prime video or your YouTube videos at home, we are the ones that provide the technology that makes that possible in a standard TV set. As a fairly small player, I mean, we are small compared to the Googles and Apples out there. The problems in the market is an opportunity for us, because we can be smaller, more flexible. And the big problem in the TV market one problem is that everything is fragmented. If you have 5 streaming boxes, set-top boxes under your TV, they all will have a different operating system, different user interface. Everything is different, even different application languages. So using HTML5, using a vendor like Opera, you can standardize this. You can use same engine running on many different devices, same application running on many vendors' devices. So this is really one of our main strengths, is that we can support this fragmented world in a professional way. So we see now that Apple hasn't entered this market yet. Google entered it with both the Chromecast and with the Android L and the Android TV, which means again they're just fragmenting the market more. None of them have been really successful, so we can help you with support of both of those and with compatibility between the various platforms. That's a typical example. IBC is extremely important to us. Together with CES, it's the most important shows in the year. And the reason is that we're working with all the parties in the industry. We're working with the manufacturers, the OEMs. So we meet here with TV producers, with set-top box manufacturers. We're working directly with the operators in many ways. They are here, especially the European ones. But also now we work with broadcasters, we work with content providers, and they're also here. So that means that here we meet existing customers and we meet prospects for future customers and future partners. Well, success, unfortunately, is always measured in money. There's no other way of measuring success. We can measure a little bit on number of units shipped. We measure a little bit on consumer reach, because that's extremely important. It's still a market grab situation. So of course the footprint in the market decides how you can monetize things in the next round. So we measure those things also. But obviously we are profitable, we are growing, we are more profitable in percent than last year. Things like that is the amount of success. But we're always in the forefront when it comes to the technology. We are a technology company. We'll have the best Chromium Blink-based rendering engine in the world. We'll have the best streaming engine in the world. We'll have the best platform for deploying. In the US, it's very important now to deploy on the RDK, the Comcast platform for set-top boxes. So we have that already here, but of course we will have next iteration at CES. For Opera as a company in mobile, we are already one of the biggest players in advertising. We do serve mobile advertisements to the major applications and handsets. We do handle the major accounts, the major advertisers. We're now taking that into the TV space, so that's also an announcement we had here. We release our ad SDK, so now we can help any manufacturer that has a TV surface to serve video ads or rich media ads on that. And we can also go into to deliver this in combined campaigns for advertisers, if they wish to combine what they do on a handset tablet with what is done on a TV space. We're extremely global. So the first thing is that we work with companies like Sony, like Toshiba, like Samsung, with products that really are deployed globally. These products has flavors for each region. Like you have HPB TV here in Europe, we have OTT solutions that filter content based on where you are. You don't get Vietnamese content in Europe, obviously. You don't get Belarus content in US, but you get Facebook everywhere. So there are similarities, there are differences. When the sales channels and the B2B channels are slightly different. When we go into operators in Europe, they are seeing the world a little bit different from operators in the US. So in the US we work more with the chipset manufacturers, and then to the set-top box manufacturer, then to the operators. Here in Europe, it's often the other way. We go to the operators and they pull us in. Or we go directly to retail manufacturers that deliver into the operator space. So.